How to turn off auto accept request in Instagram. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to turn off auto accept request in Instagram. So now without further ado, let's get started. So here, first thing first, open the Instagram app on your phone and make sure that you're logged in to your account. And now here, once you're inside the app, just tap on the profile icon shown in the bottom right corner of the screen. Now here, once you are inside the profile section, just tap on the three dash icon shown in the top right corner of the screen. And now here, once you are inside the settings section, what you can do is you can simply scroll down, and there you can just tap on the option labeled as follow and invite friends. So simply tap on it. And now here, once you are inside this section, what you can do is you can just check for the option labeled as automatically confirm anyone you follow. So there you can simply toggle off the option if you found that, and here you can also turn off this option as well. And once you do it, it will help you to turn off auto accept request in Instagram. And that's it with this. If you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.